that your curse follows you. Followed you here to our land, and will follow you without escape into the next. You had a covenant, a most sacred bond that you failed to uphold. You failed him. This shall not end. That your curse follows you. Followed you here to our land, and will follow you without escape into the next. You had a covenant, a most sacred bond.
Help me make sense of.
Black people scare you?
What's up, baby?
Have you been paying attention?
Who, me?
Over just the past 20 years alone? Of the serial killers, the rapists, the pedophiles, the child pornographers? Black people scare you. You might want to rethink that.
I've been paying
Black people scare you?
I've been
Have you been paying attention? Over just the past 20 years alone?
You a Republican or
Of the serial killers, the rapists, the pedophiles, the child pornographers? Black people scare you.
Are you Republican? Are you emotional?
You might want to
Are you
rethink
scared?
that.
I'm just saying.
Say words.
Most of my comment section was like
Freudian
this,
period,
to aid in
but
the
I'm
discussion
okay.
of how you know my dad. Yes,
watching
him
a
and
bootleg
Tupac were
movie
friends. They did a
called
movie
Juice.
together called
And
Juice
they
that came
go,
out
this your
in like
motherfucking dad.
92, I
Who the
believe.
fuck
If you haven't
been?
seen it,
I'm just saying.
go watch it.
Karen from how your founding fathers stole this land.
They warned us about people like you! Pay attention! We're losing our democracy! I'm terrified! Listen to me, Republicans, listen! You are the people in history they warned us about!
I'm on my MX shit, and what nickel? This is your brain on your mark of the beast
we're going to
talking
be talking
serpent.
about emotions. You motherfuckers. You extras. You motherfucking extra. Read all about it. Hypermorphos. Period. This is your brain in America. This is your brain after drinking of the cup of wine. From America. Ooh. This is what Bill Gates wants to do to you. He wants to connect you to the hell realm. Bitch, I would not see you there. No! Don't even try to follow me! I will never follow you! Bitch, get the fuck on! Zap heart, bitch. This is your...
I could sing a little
At
on.
the end of the day, what's really good with that cat? I'm just saying though.
I missed the one.
Welcome to your hell. What's up? Fallen Babylon. Fallen Babylon. That's how we motherfucking doing it in 2021. Shout out to all the gods. For yay all gods. Children of the Most High. Y'all already know. Rise. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Where you get it, fit it, fit it, fit it. It's in your DNA. What? Rise, 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 rise. Stay out cold.
Falling Babylon.
No.